Hey there, dealing with issues on your Google TV? This week, I've got the ultimate guide on how to fix Google TV on risk and ensure your streaming sessions are seamless. Google TV is an excellent platform with access to countless shows, movies, and apps. But like any technology, sometimes things don't go as planned. Whether it's a risk warning popping up or connectivity issues, we've got the solutions you need to get your Google TV back on track. Step 1. Verify device compatibility. First things first, make sure your device is compatible with Google TV. Google TV supports a wide range of devices, but not all smart TVs or streaming hardware. Check Google's website to confirm compatibility and ensure your device is updated to the latest firmware version. Regular updates can resolve many compatibility issues, reducing the risks associated with outdated software. Step 2. Troubleshoot network connectivity. One common risk to your Google TV experience is connectivity issues. Start by checking your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your TV or streaming device is within range of your router. If the signal is weak, consider relocating your router or using a Wi-Fi extender. Restart your router and reconnect your device to the network. If these steps don't work, try connecting via Ethernet for a more stable connection. Step 3. Address app and storage problem. App crashes and storage shortages can also put your Google TV experience at risk. Free up space by removing unused apps or clearing the cache. Navigate to the settings menu on your device, select apps, and choose which apps to uninstall or clear cache for. If an app is causing issues, try uninstalling and reinstalling it to ensure you have the latest version and patches. Step 4. Ensure security and account safety. A compromised account can put your Google TV on risk. Regularly update your passwords and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Check your Google account for any suspicious activity and ensure your devices are recognized. Go through the device list under your Google account settings and remove any that you don't recognize or use. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails and your Google TV is still at risk, performing a factory reset can help restore its functionality. Go to the Settings panel, look for Device Preferences or System, and select Factory Reset. Remember, this will revert your device to its original state, erasing any installed apps and saved data. Be sure to back up any important information before proceeding. So there you have it. By following these steps on how to fix Google TV on risk, you can ensure a smoother and safer streaming experience. From verifying device compatibility to performing a factory reset, these solutions cater to all levels of troubleshooting. Technology can be unpredictable, but with this guide, you're well prepared to tackle any Google TV challenges. Remember, staying updated and vigilant about security boosts not only your viewing pleasure, but also your peace of mind. Enjoy your Google TV experience.